Starting in 1977, the St. George Marathon began to showcase the beautiful community that we live in. Cascading through the red sandstone rock cliffs, the marathon has become a top 20 nationwide event that brings together thousands of stellar runners every year. As a city, we have built a race that people support year after year due to the beauty of the course, the organization of the race, and most importantly, the support athletes receive from a vibrant and giving community. The race is a community event, and all that live here consider it the premier event that takes place each year on the first Saturday of October. Through rain and heat, personal setbacks, and logistical challenges, the St. George Marathon has always gone forward. Today, however, we face a new challenge, unforeseen yet global, and we are all working on how to manage the coronavirus pandemic. Today, we reach out to you with extreme difficulty to announce the city's decision to cancel this year's October 3rd, 2020 St. George Marathon. Unfortunately, some obstacles could not be overcome to ensure that this event could continue as the world-class marathon that it is known to be. As you may imagine, it takes a great deal of planning to host a world-class event like ours, and we fought and planned up until the last possible moment to make it happen. We feel and empathize with our athletes, volunteers, staff, local businesses, sponsors, and especially our community about the disappointment this causes. We are going to miss each and every one of you. We value our association and friendship. This October will feel empty without you. Thank you for your understanding and continued support of our #LikeNoOther race event. We will work hard to bring you many more outstanding St. George Marathons to come, and we look forward to seeing you on our starting line on October 2nd, 2021.